Measure friction and wear. Characterize durability, roughness, and volume wear, all with the click of a button. This is the MFT-2000A. With easy exchange modules and an automated XY stage, perform pin and ball on disc and reciprocating wear tests all on one platform. The MFT-2000A's state-of-the-art interchangeable capacitive force sensors provide force ranges from millinewton to 200 newton, all on the same platform. Analyze topographical data quickly with the patented inline 3D profilometer. Evaluating friction, wear, and the life and durability of coatings and materials under controlled environmental conditions are not a problem, as the MFT-2000A offers unmatched versatility and accommodates various testing conditions and applications. Contact us today to accelerate your testing process and get results faster with the MFT-2000A. Rtec-Instruments, leading innovation in tribology and surface testing instrumentation.